Today, I want to demonstrate how to edit Google Form responses after submission. Here, you can see that I submitted the form a little while ago and made some mistakes inside it. It's important for you to know that if the person who designed this form didn't enable the option to edit, then you won't be able to edit after submitting. Now, to edit it, I will just click on this option. After clicking, a new tab will open up. As soon as it opens, you can see that I can make changes to it. For example, I will complete my name as I didn't write the full name earlier. In reality, my full name is quite long, so we will just write Umair Mashhadi. After updating the name, I will scroll a bit. Then you will see these options. Initially, I had selected the Yes option, but now I realized that I haven't actually subscribed. I will select the option that says, I have started subscribing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe. After editing the form, just click on the Submit button, and the form will be edited. If you liked the video, please leave a positive impact before leaving. Hit the like button for this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.